Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, or Aishcream, for those of you that are new, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really love and appreciate you. So in today's video I'm going to show you 3, maybe 4, whatever it says down there, because I've not decided at this point, different ways to style this one scarf. This scarf is so pretty. It's from my scarves, most of them are from Whitechapel Market in London. This one is, and I will leave the dimensions down below, hopefully I remember. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into the video. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button at the end if you enjoy this tutorial as well. Comment down below any of the videos you want to do, any of the tutorials you'd like me to do, and I'll catch you in my next one. And guys, this video is also perfect for anybody who is suffering from a disastrous quarantine cut. You know, you can wear these turbans and look cute and cover your disaster. Okay, so the first style then, this is nice and easy using a jersey scarf, which is a really stretchy scarf, but you can use any scarf really. So you need to fold it about 1/3 of the way down and then put it on your head from the back to the front. Just adjust. Okay, and then you're just going to tie a knot at the front like that. And then you kind of twist it so one side goes back, then the side that's at the front you're just going to take around the round the back under the other one, and then you're simply going to fan that out and then tuck it in underneath. And if I sound really croaky, it's because I literally just woke up and realized that, oh my god, I've not done the voice over. Okay, so did you see what I did there? I just tucked it at the back. Then you're going to take the other piece and then open it up, fan it out again, and then twist it at the back and tuck it under like I've just done. And look how cute that style is. Like, it just forms like a really cool, like, I don't know, bun thing at the front, I guess, which looks really nice, I think. It's that easy. It looks so much more complicated than it is. And there you have it. This second style is funny actually, because I literally made that on the spot. Like, just before filming it I was like, let me try this, and then it kind of looked alright, so I thought, oh, okay, let me include it in the tutorial. So you're going to start with the scarf the same kind of way, fold it 1/3 of the way down, put it on the back of your head, okay, and then tie at the front. So the first few steps are very similar actually to the first style. Tie, twist one side back, take that front piece, take it round and under the other piece, but this time you're not going to fan it out, you're just going to leave that side to the side, and then you're just literally going to twist the two sides around each other once, and then take the shorter side and tuck it to the back, and voila, it's a bit different, isn't it? I think it looks alright. It's all about creativity with turbans. Ta-da! What do you think of this one, guys? Do you like it? And then there's another slight variation of this style, so I just thought, oh, you could also tuck it in at the back if you didn't want that bit dangling down, and then you get this kind of look. Okay, style numero 3. Same base, starting from the back again. This style is one of my faves, I must say. So you're going to, instead of tying it this time, you're just going to cross the two sides over like that. Okay, and then if there's any excess at the front, just tuck it under a bit so it looks neater. And then you're just going to proceed to twist one side first, bring it round to the other side, and you're just going to tuck it. Now the beauty of these jersey scarves are that they are very stretchy, and I will link where you can get this from online as well for those of you that want one. But yeah, and then you just twist the other side, take it round, tuck it under the other twisted side, and then just pull it around to the other side, and it kind of dangles. But yeah, what I was saying is the jersey scarves are so easy to style because they're super stretchy, so they pretty much stay in place. But like I said, you don't have to use that kind of scarf, you can use any scarf that you have available at home. And that's that one. And guys, if you want more kind of quarantine haircut disaster cover-ups, let me know and I can do more videos like that for you. Okay, so style number 4, same base, same start, but this time you're putting it at the front of your head rather than from the back to the front, and you want the two sides to be both the same length. Okay, and then notice how I've put it on an angle on my head, and then see what happens next. This is where the magic happens, and this addresses basically a lot of people. When I did this kind of style on my Instagram, people asked if I could show them how to do it without the bun showing at the back, so this addresses that as well. This is how you do it. Okay, so you literally just gather the right side first, no, the right side, yeah, and then take it to the back and just tuck it under. Again, this is where using a jersey scarf comes in very handy. And then you do the same with the other one, just kind of making sure you've got a nice, you just look as you're doing it basically, and you'll see if it looks right or not. Okay, so I was just adjusting there, and then you just literally gather the other side together and then bring it around to the front on a slight angle again, and then tuck it in at the back. This is really good with the jersey scarf, I must say. And there you go. How elegant is that style? Like, so beautiful. I love this. It's one of my favourite styles as well. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Catch you next week. Bye.